Okay, welcome back to the vlog. So a couple of new things have happened since the last vlog, and that is I got a new microphone, so hopefully you can hear me a lot better than in past vlogs. And second, I thought let's do a wash theme today on the vlog, and we're gonna wash the truck. So I came out here to exercise social distancing to Nick's Emporium of Oddities and Miscellaneous Things, which is pretty much out in the middle of nowhere. And we're gonna get started on a thorough truck wash, because hey, cleanliness is good and it makes your stuff last longer. And then also, I've been taking it off-road a little bit, and it's pretty dirty. We're going to have some shots of that here in a second. And later this week, I am headed out into the wilderness for another little overland adventure. Again, practicing social distancing. And we're going to get started today with a thorough wash of the Raptor.
Tech tip of the day: if you ever wonder where to jack your truck up from, they actually mark it with a neat little arrow. So this is the recommended spot to put jack stands and stuff like that. So if you're ever lifting your truck, that's the safe place.
About getting the interesting shot.
As Brad is zip tying a GoPro to a undercarriage cleaning sprayer. That thing steers like a yak on roller skates.
I mean, it's not easy to control, but it's kind of fun. Yeah, the water pressure's like medium, not that great, but I just bought this new toy. It was like a cheap Amazon thing. But yeah, I mean, if you live in a place where they salt the roads, they don't do that here in Oregon, but this might be a cool thing to have to make sure that you're not getting the undercarriage all rusted out. And you know, give it a good wash every now and then. Undercarriage, got to take care of it. There you go. And this was from lovely Bend, Oregon, under the wheel well, getting her clean.
And here we see Brad in his natural habitat, obsessively cleaning his truck.
right, now we're looking pretty clean, everybody. I'm gonna pull it inside to the bay, and then we're gonna do the interior, and we'll have a full detail completed. All right, we are in the Emporium, and I just did a coat of wax on the truck, and some people might think, hey, if you're going to off-road it, why would you wax it if you're going to get it dirty? Well, actually, waxing can help protect your vehicle from scratches from tree branches or trail fiascos that you might run into, so having a nice coat of wax on your truck can help you in the long run if you want to keep the paint nice. Also, I do have this wrapped in a 3M coating as well, so that helps, but you can apply the wax directly on top of that. And in the meantime, we have a hero here who brought us some pizza, so we're going to have us some pizza because heroes, like Nick, bring pizza. An often overlooked area is the door jambs. So we're going to get those door jambs. Look at that dirt. I don't know if you can see it in the light. Anyway, it's dirty, and we're going to clean it. Okay, we got all the door jambs cleaned out, so there's no more dirt in there. Really sneaky spot for dirt. People overlook it a lot. But yeah, just clean out. Open up the doors. You can use a cloth that you don't care about too much. And yeah, just spray that down with whatever cleaner you're using and wipe down the door jamb areas. Get all that dirt and grime out of there, because that's where it likes to hide, especially when you're off-roading on dusty trails and whatnot. It gets in there. And you can't stop it. Now we're going to do the glass and the lights that I have on here. I'm going to pull off the caps on my gravities and then clean those, and then the lights as well, windows, mirrors, and then we're going to get started vacuuming out the inside and then doing some detailing on the inside as well. All right, on the interior, I'm not sure if you can see this very well, but if you see this here, I got a lot of dust up here. It's been a while, but yeah. So we're gonna clean that up and then get the interior nice, and be curious about what that noise is. It's just Nick being Nick. All right, so we are here. Fire it up. And we are finally clean on the interior. Nice Raptor intro there on the screen, and a clean interior. I love a clean interior. I love a clean truck. And I like getting it dirty too, so I guess it's good to like both of those things. All right, cool. We are about wrapped up here. This is great. Okay, so we made it back to the house. Truck is now shiny and clean, inside and out. And we're ready for more truck venture coming up shortly. But for now, that's the end of this vlog. So if you like the content, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.